Life has never been this confusing or fun. Follow along with Gail Winegar's emotionally charged journey through life, where the only certainty is nothing is certain. Forever, one day at a time is a roller coaster of thoughts and experiences captured in their rawest form. From dogs rummaging through the trash to spiritual questions asked deep in the jungles of Panama. This unique perspective offers a glimpse into a larger world. Prepare to laugh, cry, and ponder the deeper meanings to innocuous stories as one woman tries to make sense of the world around her.